Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode I will be making pork and feta cheese with spinach flatbread. Let's start cooking. So I have my all-purpose flour in my bowl here. This will be our dough for our flatbread, pork, spinach and feta cheese flatbread. Okay, let's go ahead and add our yeast. Just mix it up. Our salt. Let's add our olive oil. Okay, let's go ahead and add our warm milk. Give that a good mix around, and then at this stage you can slowly add a little bit, maybe a tablespoon of warm water. Just going to add a little bit of that leftover oil to my bench, and I'm going to transfer the dough onto the bench, and I'll mix it and knead it on the bench. At this stage I don't need to add any more warm water, so for me that 1 tablespoon of warm water was okay, enough with the milk. Some oil in our bowl, and we'll let this rest for an hour, and then we'll come back and start assembling our flatbread. We'll just add a little bit of oil to our pan, chop up our onions. And add our pork mince, about 500 grams. We'll keep stirring and cooking our mince for about 5 minutes. I'm chopping my spinach as fine as you can, and then add it to your pork. You add it to the pan. Go ahead and add our garlic. I'm going to add some rosemary. Let's go ahead and season it with salt and pepper. Go ahead and taste it before we turn off the oven. We need a bit more salt and pepper. Taste it one more time. Okay, that's perfect. Let's turn the oven off. Okay, we will let this cool down and then we'll mix it with our feta cheese and continue on the recipe from there. And our pork mince has been cooled down completely. We're going to mince up our feta cheese and add it with the pork mince. So that's about 200 grams of feta cheese. The mince. I'll leave the other half because some members might want a plain one with just the pork mince. I'm going to go ahead and mix it with my hand, put the glove on and just mix that through. That's it. Just put them aside. Some flour there, and let's go ahead and transfer our dough onto the bench. I'm going to add some of our filling in the middle. It back in, and we will try and close it off so our filling doesn't come out when we re-roll it again. Okay, and then we just gently roll it up again. Maybe start with the other end. This one, you just leave it on the side for now. Okay everyone, look at all our flatbread. We've rolled them out. I've got 8 of them. Some of them I've added the normal cheese instead of the feta cheese. So let's go ahead and start cooking them. Just add a little bit of oil and we will start with this one. So we will cook each side about 3 minutes. You also have to put your oven on medium heat so you don't burn your flatbread too early. Around. Another way of cooking this, if you have a sandwich press, you can also cook your flatbread in there and it will come out nice and crunchy and well cooked evenly on both sides. Otherwise the frying pan works well. Look at that, that's a nice colour you're after. So this is more like a savoury flatbread with pork mince, spinach, feta cheese or normal cheese. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Okay, so that's done. Go ahead and cook the next one. Okay everyone, I'm going to continue on cooking these and have it hot. It's nice to have it when it's just out of the pan. Let's give it a taste. See in the middle, the cheese, you can open it and there's your filling inside. Yum. That is nice, everyone. Yeah. Just have it with any dipping sauce of your choice. But that's our recipe, our savoury flatbread, everyone. Thank you for cooking with me and joining in. Please stay safe out there and share the love with everyone. Take care and thanks for watching. Love you all from Meals and Family.